Hi guys, this is the best cryptocurrencies to hold in a bear market effort to start our video. Scroll below, subscribe and like video. Looking to hold crypto in a bear market? Check out Finblocks to earn up to 90% interest on cryptocurrency holdings. The first half of 2022 has been one of the worst periods for cryptocurrency. Major tokens such as Bitcoin and Ethereum are down 40% to 50% since the beginning of 2022. Overall, the crypto markets have fallen over 50% year to date. Traditionally, a bear market is when financial assets fall more than 20% from previous Holding cash is beneficial in that it is often a stable way to hold value. It also takes away the risk of holding crypto if prices continue to fall. Oppositely, holding cash has an opportunity cost of potential gains if the markets recover. Cash also faces the risk of inflation, which is a major issue in the current economy. Best cryptocurrencies to hold in a bear market. Now that you have some background on the current bear market and the pros and cons of holding crypto, let's take a look at some of the best cryptocurrencies for a bear market. Bitcoin is by far the most popular cryptocurrency to invest in. It boasts a market cap of over $550 billion and is extremely accessible. It can be purchased on a variety of platforms, ranging from Finblocks and eToro to Venmo and Cash App. Finblocks is a particularly good option, as it lets you earn 5% interest on Bitcoin holdings. It also has a huge community backing its niche of digital payments on the blockchain. Bitcoin has a scheduled issuance of its supply, making it a great bet against inflation. Ethereum is the second largest crypto, with a market cap of over $200 billion. It is the top blockchain for decentralized finance (DeFi) and decentralized applications (dApps). This feature gives Ethereum use cases in anything from NFTs to decentralized exchanges DEX, and helps the project retain a strong community of engaged crypto enthusiasts. Lastly, Ethereum is planning a merge in the future which should make the blockchain faster, more environmentally friendly, more attractive to users, and able to provide even more use cases. You can buy Ethereum on Finblocks, and the platform offers 4.5% APR on ETH holdings. Chainlink.is currently 21st largest crypto by market cap with around $3.9 billion invested. However, this project may have one of the most applicable use cases. They are an Oracle crypto that faces essentially no competition. An oracle is a bridge between the blockchain and off-chain, real-world data. It uses its oracles to provide accurate and cost-effective data to blockchains, and can be used in a variety of places ranging from governments to sports. Many popular exchanges offer Chainlink, including eToro. Polygon is the 18th largest crypto by market cap with a market cap of around $4.7 billion. It is the leading Layer 2 solution, meaning that it is essentially an extension of another blockchain and can greatly aid in scalability. Polygon is a scaling solution for Ethereum. Ethereum's lack of scalability helps Polygon increase demand for its network, as Polygon can process transactions at a fraction of the cost of Ethereum. Polkadot is the 11th largest crypto with a market cap of just over $8.5 billion. It is the leading multi-chain crypto. The project is centered around interoperability, or the ability for separate blockchains to communicate with each other. This exciting project is one of the only in the area, and offers a competitive advantage over blockchains that are completely independent from others. How to store cryptocurrencies safely. If you plan to hold your crypto through a bear market, a wallet is the safest place to store it. There are two types of wallets: hardware and software. Hardware wallets are physical devices that store the private codes needed to send crypto. If the physical device is not present to confirm transactions, then crypto cannot be sent. Hard wallets are regarded as the safest way to store crypto. Software wallets store private keys online. Most software wallets are either programs or Chrome extensions. These wallets can be subject to phishing scams and other security issues, but can be much easier and cheaper to use than hardware wallets. Cryptocurrency price movements. The crypto market is down 50% as a whole since the beginning of 2022, and most of these losses came in April and May. However, the average bear market lasts between 9 months and 1 year. So there still may be more room for a further slide. Conversely, the markets could turn around tomorrow. No one knows where prices are going. When will the crypto bear market end? Many are wondering when the crypto markets are due for a reversal. It seems as though prices slide further and further every day, with no end in sight. Some believe that the markets could fully reverse very soon, while others see it taking several months to return to normal levels. Either way, it is always a good idea to have an investing game plan with stop losses, entry points, and hope that prices can begin to rise again. Don't forget to comment and tell us about this crypto opportunity.